Hello students, today we are going to see Standard 6th first chapter of mathematics, that is basic concepts in geometry. Let's discuss the questions given below with the help of Rangoli. Question number 1. What kind of surface do you need for making a Rangoli? We need a plain surface for making a Rangoli. How do you start making a Rangoli? First, we will put dots on place surface at equidistance and we will draw shapes according to it. What did you do in order to complete the Rangoli? First, we will observe the Rangoli and then according to it we will complete the Rangoli. Name different shapes you see in the Rangoli. We see square, rectangle, triangle in the Rangoli. Would it be possible to make a Rangoli on a scooter or on an elephant's back? No, it is not possible to make a Rangoli on a scooter or on an elephant's back because it's not a plain surface. When making a Rangoli on paper, what do you use to make dots? We can use pen or pencil to make dots on a paper. Now we will learn about the points. A point is shown by a tiny dot. Capital letters of the alphabets are used to name a point. The points A, P, T are shown in the figure. Now we will learn line segments and lines. First, take 2 points A and B on a sheet of paper and join them using a ruler. We will get the straight line AB. Can we extend this line further on the side of point B? Yes, we can extend it further on point B and point A. How far can we extend it? We can extend the line in both the directions till the edge of paper. If the paper is very big, the line can be very long too. Let's imagine that we can extend this line forever without any limits on both sides. To show this extended line on paper, we use arrowheads at both ends of the line. In mathematics, when we say line, we mean straight line. The first line that we drew was only from point A to point B. It was piece or a segment of the longer line. A line segment has 2 points showing its limit. They are called endpoints. We write line segment AB as seg AB in short. Line L has been shown in figure. Its name can be also written as line PQ or line QP. Now we will learn about the rays. Look at the picture. What do you see? Rays starting from the sun go forward in all directions. Light rays from the torch also start from a point and go forward continuously in one direction. A ray is a part of a line. It starts at one point and goes forward continuously in the same direction. The starting point of a ray is called its origin. Here, P is the origin and arrowhead is drawn to show that the ray is infinite in the direction of Q. The figure can be read as ray PQ. The ray PQ is not read as ray QP. Draw a point on a paper and use your ruler to draw lines that pass through it. How many such lines can you draw? An infinite number of lines can be drawn through one point. When 2 or more lines passes through the same point, they are called concurrent lines, and the common point through which they pass is called their point of concurrence. One and only one line can be drawn through any two distinct points. 3 or more points which lie on a single straight line are said to be collinear points. Points which do not lie on the same line are called as non-collinear points. Now let's learn about planes. Look at the picture. What kind of figures do you see? The surface in the first two pictures are flat. Each flat surface is a part of an infinite surface. In mathematics, a flat surface is called a plane. The name of the plane in the picture is H. Even though we draw suitably small figures of the plane, it actually extends infinitely on all sides. Arrows are drawn to show that the plane extends infinitely in all directions. However, these arrows are often omitted for the sake of convenience. Now let's learn about parallel lines. Look at this page from a notebook. This is a part of a plane. If we extend the lines that run sideways on the page, the lines will not meet anywhere. Lines which lie in the same plane but do not intersect are said to be parallel to each other. These lines are intersecting lines. These lines are parallel lines. These lines are intersecting lines.